Hi, my name is Sherlyn and I'm a Peppi girl. How long have I been using Peppi gel? For about 2 years now. My coworker got me into it, and ever since then I've been hooked. I get my creativity in, I can do whatever I want, all in the comfort of my own home. Being able to get creative at home, that's definitely my favorite part, because I can do literally anything with any color that I have. I don't like paying $60 every other week just to get my nails done when I can do it at home for practically $1 per mani. Hi, my name is Sherlyn and I'm a Peppi girl.